Have you heard of parasitic wasps before?
Not really.
So a parasite is something that eats the host. It eats the thing that it goes onto. Parasitic wasps find the eggs of other pests and they lay their eggs inside those caterpillars, right? So when that caterpillar is growing, inside it, the caterpillar of the parasitic wasp grows and eats its way out. It eats from inside while that caterpillar is still alive. How good's that? As a way of controlling it. And then it pops out. And there's other wasps that actually eat aphids, and then they leave the aphids head on them as a disguise to go deeper in and then eat some more. So they wear it like a dress up.
A helmet?
Like a helmet, yeah. And then they look like the things that they're eating. How good is that? And these battles are going on. They're going on under here and over there.